Hello viewers, today I am going to cook bajji mirchi curry. Here I am taking 10 big size chilies and 1 cup of sesame seeds. Now take half cup of sesame seeds into the jar and add turmeric, garam masala, salt, red chilli powder and dhania jeera powder. Now grind it well. Now cut the chilies in the center like this and remove the seeds. Now stuff all the chilies with the grinded powder like this. Now heat the oil. Now add the chilies and let them cook. Fry all the chilies by closing lid. Now take all the chilies into a plate. Now add 1 cup of onions into it. Now add 1 spoon of ginger garlic paste into it and mix it well. Now onions are cooked nicely. Now add the fried chilies into it one by one like this. Now add the remaining grinded powder into it. Mix it well. Now add half glass of water and mix it. Now close it with the lid and wait for 10 minutes. The oil in the curry should come out like this. Then it is perfectly cooked. Now add coriander and mix it and off the stove. Very tasty chilli curry is ready.